guys, welcome to Redeemly, the futuristic AI technology that lets you sell smart cardless loyalty programs that boost sales and profits to local businesses for monthly fees. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor for you to follow only 5 really short steps, which takes you just a minute to apply. Sounds good? Now let's do this. Step 1, create a business. On Redeemly, you can create profiles for businesses that you want to link to a loyalty program. To start creating a business, you just need to click here first, then here. Now you're going to fill in the details of your new business, including the business's industry, name of business, logo image, and contact details, as well as any other additional detail you wish to add, including links to social media and other links. Well, that's all about step 1, guys. Step 2, create a staff member. You'll be prompted to add a staff member after creating a business. So click here to add a staff member so you can continue to the next step. Creating staff is easy too, because you just have to select the business you'll be adding staff to and to enter the staff's details. Well, we're done with step 2. It was easy too, right? Step 3, create a reward. Next, you are going to create a reward that'll be linked to the business you just created so they can offer that in their cardless loyalty program. You just click here and then here to get started. Much like when creating a business, Redeemly makes it easy to create rewards simply by adding some details here. These details include the reward title, the number of loyalty points this reward costs, the dollar value of the reward, the date range when the reward will be active, the reward description, and images. You can create as many more rewards as you want simply by clicking here. We're done with step 3, so let's move on. Step 4, create a loyalty campaign. Now comes the fun part, guys, creating a cardless loyalty program. Start by clicking here. Then here to enter the campaign details. First, you're going to select the business running this campaign. In this case, I have to select the business I created at the beginning of this video. Now enter a name for the campaign, and then the number of loyalty points a customer receives by signing up to the loyalty program. You can even add your own custom domains for the loyalty program site. Next, you're going to select the rewards you'll add to the campaign. Then you're going to configure the different ways customers can earn loyalty points and redeem their rewards. And finally, you can customize the appearance of your loyalty program site. Here, you can customize every section and page in your rewards program site, as well as the site's colors so it matches the business's branding. You just have to click here to publish your loyalty program site once you are done adding all your details, and then your cardless rewards program is live. Step 5, onboard your first customer. You can click on the campaign's URL to visit the program site where customers will be able to sign up, earn points, and redeem rewards, and this will be the URL you will be sharing to onboard your first and as many customers as you want, all with just minutes of easy work. Guys, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Let me show you a couple more things you'll find inside Redeemly, including the ability to add and manage customers after they sign up to a loyalty program, and a detailed analytics dashboard to see your earnings when customers redeem points, and your spending when customers redeem rewards. Lots more awesome stuff inside Redeemly, but I can't show them all in this video. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you're looking to sell AI cardless loyalty programs that generates recurring income, then try Redeemly today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.